Lefty's Woodworking channel. Today we're going to be doing some cutting of the pot leaf chair out. I don't know if I can pick that up or not, but I got the pattern drawn out. I'm going to cut it up. And I got to paint this chair here to get it ready, put it online for sale. Let's get into it. Today's an absolutely beautiful day. Beautiful day today. I already got some cut out here. It's ready to get sanded. I'm gonna have to take this one apart, the arms off and stuff, and then paint it. Voila! The middle one's cut out. Alright, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to cut out. So when I'm sanding, I'm just gonna do the edges real quick. And then I run over with a router over it. So I need left, right, left and the right, left, left, right, right, left. So it touches here. I got a gap here. So I get my pencil as close as I possibly can without. When I first made one of these, I mean, I was going nuts. I mean, I was making sure it was tight fit and all that. I didn't have to do that. So now I just mark it a little bit. Mark it. I always mark it down on the bottom so I remember where to stop. So that's good, and then I probably can do the bottom a little bit more. And that'll be good enough, because once I round it over, put the back on, you'll never tell. And then I'll come back with the next step of my process. That's it. that's it. That's all I do. Around the mover. I'll come by with the sander. So once again, hang tight and I'll be right back. Bam. Now we're back. See how rounding it over. See how they round over in there. Looks pretty good. Sand it. I'm gonna go with the 180. The leaf is almost done. Next step into doing it is now I gotta get my torch, burn the wood, stain it, put the back on it, put one of these on it, screw it down, start building the bar stool. And I'm not quite sure if I'll pick up this video again today or tomorrow. But always stay classy. I'm just kidding. So we'll see. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that happy jazz. Lefty Woodwork is out.